I do think it is important to have some knowledge of it. There is a translation step going from working on your local machine and, writing your code and debugging and writing tests until you're convinced that it works. But if you then switch to Docker, that's going to be a different environment, right? So you need to know what that means. And you need to have at least some knowledge of when your code is being deployed. Like, how does that happen? How does your code communicate with the outside world? At that point, it's useful to have at least some knowledge of how cloud architectures work. And in some cases, they can actually help you write code more easily locally on your machine as well. Like Docker, for example, you can run a Docker container locally and then run your code in that. But then, of course, you have to understand how Docker works in order to do that. So having some knowledge of that, I think that's really important. And it has helped me a lot in better estimating how complex certain projects are going to be and how much work it's going to be to develop something and deploy that.